AlphaCAD. AlphaCAD is a powerful tool to hatch your drawings with architectural patterns easily. Select pattern to indicate floors, roof tiles, stone, wood, concrete, water and much more. All patterns are drawn on their own layer. If layer does not exist, is created automatically when pattern is used for the first time. Select a pattern from the dialog box, see a larger preview on the right. And set parameters for spacing. Give distance to set floor tiles size. Scale. Set scale for the pattern. Angle. Set angle for the pattern. Origin point. Pick to set origin point to start pattern. Align to. Select object to align pattern. Inherit properties. Select existing pattern to use its properties for the new hatch. More options to set style. Associate hatch with boundaries. Set tolerance of the pattern. Or select AutoCAD Hatch, that brings original hatch dialog. To draw hatch pattern, select pick point option and pick inside a close area. Or select objects option to select single or multiple polylines of close objects.